and stuff on there, so it's kind of cool. They work out. And you can't go anywhere without your 3-aught extra wide gap hooks. I go through these like crazy, so I actually restocked them. Oh my goodness. Fucking hell. It scared me. Are we getting a fire call? That scared the shit out of me. Fuck. Alright. You know, I gotta pick my daughter up from school too, so this is bad. Oh. I don't even have to go because that's my district, but they didn't tone up my department. Oh my god, that thing is freaking loud. Jesus Christ. All right, so, all right, you know, I'll do this video later. I'm gonna completely redo it. Ah, damn it. All right, have a good night, guys. We'll see you later, and stay safe. And yeah, that's ridiculous. Have a good night, guys.